I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign PDFs using Foxit Reader. First, open the PDF document you wish to sign within the Foxit Reader application. Once your document is open, navigate to the Protect tab located at the top of the interface. From there, you'll find and click on the Fill and Sign option. This action will activate the tools necessary to add your signature, making the process straightforward and efficient for any document you need to authorize quickly. Next, you'll need to create your signature. Foxit Reader offers 3 convenient methods. You can draw your signature directly using your mouse or trackpad, type your name in a stylish font, or import an image of your handwritten signature. After creating it, you can easily adjust its size and color to match your preferences. Remember to save your signature for future use, optionally protecting it with a secure password, ensuring quick access for subsequent documents. Once your signature is ready, placing it onto your PDF is simple. Just click on the exact spot within the document where you want your signature to appear. A signature box will then be placed, which you can easily drag and resize to achieve the perfect fit and alignment. After positioning it precisely, click to apply the signature. Don't forget to save your document immediately afterward to ensure all your changes, including the new signature, are permanently recorded. Beyond just signing, Foxit Reader provides several advanced options to enhance your document. You can add extra text, insert the current date, or even include your initials alongside your main signature. It's also helpful to understand the distinction between a simple signature and a digital ID, which offers enhanced security. Always take a moment to review your newly signed document thoroughly for accuracy and completeness before sharing it with anyone, ensuring everything is just right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.